Hi, welcome to Cloudminister Technologies. In this tutorial, we will show you how to manage domains from Cloudminister's client area. Please watch the full tutorial. Visit our website at cloudminister.com. Click on the login button, which appears on the right-hand side of the website. Fill your Cloudminister's client area account login credentials and hit login. Cloudminister's client area dashboard will open. Click on the domains column to access the domains page. Or you can click on the domains in your right-hand side where My Domains is listed, and then click on that. Both methods can be used to access the domains page. In this page, you will see the domain that you would like to manage. Pick a domain you want to manage. Once you select the domain you wish to manage, after that click on it, you will find out the domains selected column, from which you will manage all of your domains easily. Under one roof you'll get complete self-managed options. It is the first method to manage domains. The second alternative is to click on the three dots as you can see in the picture and click Manage Domain. This will take you to the Manage page, so you can take care of things by yourself with just a single click. The picture shows overview, where you can see all the details of your domain like registration date, next due date, first payment amount and recurring amount. On the left hand side you will find out Manage column in which you can see Auto Renew, Name Servers, Registrar Log, Add-ons, Contact information, Private name servers, DNS management, you can manage all your domains one by one by clicking on the given options. If you update things, make sure you click the Save Changes button, otherwise your updates will not be saved. And get EPP code. Here we are at the end and I'll explain what the EPP code is. The EPP code is basically a password for a domain name. It is a security measure, ensuring that only the domain name owner can transfer a domain name. You will need EPP code if you are planning to transfer the domain from Cloudminister to another service provider. That's how you can manage domains from the Cloudminister's client area. You can complete this process quickly and easily. We provide call support. you can contact the Cloudminister Technologies team at 01414924265 or raise ticket from client area for better assistance. Thanks for watching full tutorial. If you found it useful, please like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel to see upcoming videos like this.